If you spend your days inside After Effects, you already know that the biggest killer of creativity isn't a lack of ideas, it is tedious, repetitive tasks. Digging through endless drop-down menus, perfectly aligning grid layouts by hand, or manually shifting hundreds of keyframes just because a client changed the pacing of a voiceover. When you are managing heavy workloads and tight agency deadlines, every single second counts. Welcome to Motion by Jahid. Today, I'm going to share 5 hidden gem After Effects plugins or scripts that most designers don't know about. These aren't your standard everyday tools. These are massive workflow accelerators that will keep your timeline clean, eliminate repetitive clicks, and instantly elevate your production speed. Let's dive in.
Number 1 on the list is AE Path Hider. If you work with complex vector graphics, custom logo animations, or sleek UI elements, you know that After Effects' native shape tools are frustratingly limited. Trying to use merge paths requires too many clicks and leaves your timeline cluttered with unnecessary groups. This is why you need AE Pathfinder. It acts exactly like the Pathfinder in Adobe Illustrator, but right inside After Effects. As you can see in their demo, it gives you a dedicated panel to perform Boolean operations like unite, subtract, intersect, and exclude with a single click. It doesn't rely on heavy expressions. It actually creates clean, new paths instantly. This one tool alone will save you hours of menu diving when building complex vector shapes. Next up is Bento. The Bento Box UI layout is one of the most popular design trends right now, used by massive tech brands across the world. But building these multi-panel grids manually in After Effects, it is an absolute nightmare of math, alignment tools, and anchor point adjustments. Bento is a lightweight script that completely automates this process. Look at how seamlessly it works. You simply dial in your rows, columns, padding, and corner roundness, and Bento generates a mathematically perfect grid instantly. Even better, it automatically pre-comps each section and applies track mats, meaning your layout is immediately ready for you to drop your footage or animations into. It takes a 15-minute setup and turns it into 3 clicks. Coming in at number 3 is Mobar. By default, After Effects forces you to adapt to its layout, but as a professional editor, you should be forcing the software to adapt to your specific workflow. If you are constantly searching for the same effects, scripts, or expressions project after project, you're losing valuable time. Mobar completely redesigns your workspace. It allows you to build custom minimalist toolbars at the edge of your screen. You can take your most frequently used effects, menu commands, or complex expressions and turn them into single-click buttons. Plus, it comes loaded with over 150 pre-built utility tools right out of the box. It essentially acts as a personalized speed dial for your entire creative workflow. Number 4 is an absolute lifesaver for client revisions, Marker Remap. When you're building explainer videos or commercial promos, the voiceover pacing changes constantly. Retiming a dense animation usually means diving into individual pre-comps, highlighting hundreds of keyframes, and praying you don't mess up the easing. Marker Remap eliminates keyframe sliding entirely. Instead of moving keyframes, this plugin allows you to control the timing of your entire pre-comp using standard layer markers. Need a transition to hold for 2 seconds longer? Just drag the marker. Need it to happen faster? Slide the marker back. It is a non-destructive, incredibly intuitive way to handle complex retiming without ever touching the graph editor. Finally, at number 5, we have Renderly 2. Handling multiple project exports is tedious. Let's say you finished a massive project, but the client only needs you to revise 3 specific sections. Setting the work area, exporting, moving down the timeline, setting a new work area, and exporting again is a recipe for mistakes. Renderly 2 completely replaces the standard work area rendering method. It allows you to define permanent render sections directly on your timeline. You can save specific output settings for each section and render out multiple different chunks of your timeline simultaneously with one click. It is the ultimate tool for managing client revisions cleanly and professionally. Working faster doesn't mean cutting corners. It means freeing up your time so you can focus on the actual design and storytelling. I've left links to all 5 of these plugins in the description below. Drop a comment and let me know which one you are going to add to your workflow first. If you want to master motion design and learn the techniques the pros use, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.